This video is just about creation of an awesome and good-looking Rubik's Cube model. Firstly, I am going to delete every unrelatable stuff and just gonna take this cube. By selecting, I can now go to Modifier and add Bevel. This gonna bevel the edges of our cube in no time. Let's just increase the amount to 0.2 and the segments around 50. That looks pretty fine. And now save the project. Now I am going to duplicate the cube by pressing Shift and D. Now the same steps are going to take place. Let me just do the same steps. I am going to add the plane and press R and D at 90. Then, gonna just press G and Z to take it down and G and X to paste it on the face of the cube. Cube. Bevel it too, but this time click on vertices to get more accurate result. Just scale it down. Now, copy and paste with the help of Shift and D. By the way, if you want to get the planes on the accurate place, press G and then Control on your keyboard to put it side by side. I am gonna do the same steps for the next sides. After completing all the steps, we can just click on the third viewport. Then select the cube. Apply new material and click on color. Surely select black. This is going to apply black to every single cube, and that's pretty helpful in creation of models. Simply click on the planes and Apple New Material and select the 6 colors that are involved in the cube. Create new materials side by side and apply them. As you can see that I am done with the colors, you can now add a plane under the cube that's going to be our shelf or a table where the cube will be. Let's will be. Let's search for the background like something. Room? No, rather a study room. Pick anyone, it's choice. To apply the background, click on the 4th viewport and then click on the globe-like thing. Next, click on the yellow circle and click on the yellow circle and click on Environment Texture. Open your preferred environment texture. I'm going to download the wood texture too. go to Shading that is present in the top menu. Now type Shift and A to get the options. Search for Image Texture, add it, connect it with the base color, and after that, open the wood texture that you have previously downloaded. You can change the roughness according to your choice. The render engine to cycles. It's going to take some time to render. Now simply add a camera. Adjust it. You can actually change the resolution as a render, and that's your final model. You can render it by going to Render, and then click on Render, and then click on Render Image. That's it for today. Bye.